Hello guys, so welcome back to another forex strategy. In this strategy I'm going to use one single indicator to take advantage of the market. Okay, so if you have been looking for a strategy to trade the forex market, this is your best channel to stick to. I review most of strategy for you. Yours is to just take the strategy, test it on the demo account, and then when it favor you or it fits your trading style, then you start using that in the real market. Remember, this video is for educational purpose only, and don't forget to test every strategy you see in this video before you apply it in the real market. Okay, so quickly I'm going to use a moving average in order to take advantage of this market, and at the end of this video I'll give you a bonus tip that you can use to maximize your profit. And this strategy is a trend following strategy. Okay, so first thing first, let me show you the settings of the indicator. So when you're on your MetaTrader account, just click on the F icon, and then you locate the indicator window, and then click on the plus sign here. So when you click on the plus sign, go to moving average, and then set period to 21 period, and shift should be 0. Method should be exponential, not simple, exponential. Okay, so when you select exponential, you apply to close. Okay, apply to close, and then that is all. Let's change the color to blue color. Okay, good. We change the color to blue color and we hit. So this is what we have on our chart. Okay, this strategy work most in the higher time frame from 1 hour, and then lower time frame up to 5-minute time frame. Okay, anything lower than 5 minutes should not be acceptable, and anything higher than 1 hour should not be acceptable. The reason behind that is when you go far 1 hour, the stop loss is going to be huge. Okay, as I know, a lot of traders have a capital issue, and even with 1 hour time frame, the capital is a bit huge. So to trade this to be at the safer side, you use 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame. Okay, I think that will give you the best stop loss. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the strategy. So the strategy, anytime market is bouncing on the moving average, which is the blue line here. Okay, the blue line here, anytime you are see market rejecting with wicks on this line to the upper side, you must be looking for a buying opportunity, and you must stay in a trade as long as till market breaks through the line to the downside. Okay, so what I mean by this is this. So we assuming we pick a trade at this particular place where market was rejecting on the angle here. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, on the angle here, you see the rejection that happened here. So we pick a trade from here. We have to run this trade to, I want to pick an object here, the arrow. Oh, there's no arrow here. Good. So we pick from here. We have to follow it till it touches the line around here again before we will come out from trade. But if it doesn't touch it, we will follow the trend. It's a trend following strategy. So to get a signal, it's scarce a bit unless you are on the 1 hour lower time frame before you frequently get signal. So if you are trading on the higher time frame, that is one of this disadvantage. You will not get signals often. Okay, so as price touches the line, we take it off or we come out from our trade. So quickly, let's find another opportunity so that you get this quickly. So you can see around here, you can see market is flattening the indicator, so we don't trade. It's flattening the indicator, so we don't trade. So let's move on to look for another opportunity. So you can see this is another opportunity right here. You see price was rejecting on the trend. It started from here. So even when you enter a trade from here, you will be in profit here. So let's say we enter from here, SL have to be below here, the swing point where you find the entries. okay, and then you enter till market hit the line around here again before you come out. Okay, so that is it. Let's find another opportunity. Let's find a selling opportunity. So you can say this is another selling opportunity around here. So you can see price was bouncing on this line here. Okay, this use an experience to master this. You see, some bounce cannot get you an entry, but when you practice often, you will know which one should enter. Okay, so I'll be discussing all this strategy in my Telegram group. If you're not in my Telegram group, make sure you join. I put the link under the video description. You can ask me any question about any strategy video you see on my channel. Okay, so this is a selling opportunity. So this bounce, no, the SL have to just be below here where this point is. Okay, you just put it here, and then you follow the trend. You follow the trend till it hits the line coming out. Okay, so in this case you may be coming out from the trade around here or even here. Okay, so it's very simple. So how do you maximize profit with this? This is the bonus tip. So you do this mostly or always at support and resistance zone, at valuable zones, either trend line bounce. When you see this reaction on a trend line bounce, you pick a trade. When you see this reaction on a support zone, you take a trade. When you see this reaction on a resistance zone, you take a trade. So let's find a simple example of this. So I'll take off the moving average and then I'll mark up a zone for you. So let's pick a trade from there so that you see. So let me take off the moving average. Okay, good. So quickly I have to bring everything out, then I'll mark my zones. So let me mark my support and resistance zone. My support and resistance zone, and then my trend line zones. Okay, trend lines zones around here. Good. Good. And then let's come to another place and see if we'll find an entry. So you can see this one too. It's a break and retest. We break from this, and then we break from this and we retest quickly around here. Okay, this is it. It's a break and retest around this area. Okay, good. So let's bring our moving average. Remember the settings is 21. Okay, good. So you see it breaks, and let's see the retest. See where the retest happened. Okay, and when you see it like this, you see the rejection on the line. When you see it like this, you know that this is a powerful entry you have to enter. And when you enter this, see market touches line around here, so you come out from trade here, your SL is just below here. So this will give you a small SL and a huge risk to reward. It's very, very simple like that. When you try to find out your zones, then you wait for the reaction of the moving average around those zones, then you enter a trade. If you love this strategy and you try it on a demo account, it worked for you, let me know at the comment section. Goodbye, and see you in my next strategy video.